our Whissel widget of the week. This is something that we utilize in our day-to-day life, in our business, in our, I guess that's kind of most of the things, right? That make things easier, more fun, something that you want to share with the world. What you got, Rachel?
Heck yeah. So I'm super passionate about this one. I am so bored of going to a gym. I just got super gymmed out in college. I think the gym is boring. No offense to you if you guys are avid gym goers, good for you. But
I pay, I just don't go.
Yeah, well, there you go. See, you're not good.
I feel like that's a charity I'm
You need what I'm
to.
about to tell you about. No, we'll see. So I use what's called Classpass, ClassPass, Classpass. And essentially it's a membership that you pay for. There's different tiers depending on how often you want to go. But you pay into this system and it allows you to take workout classes from pretty much any studio in your local area. So some days you can do kickboxing. Sometimes you can do yoga. Sometimes you can maybe do a HIIT cardio workout. Sometimes you can do Pilates, right? So there's all these different types that you can try. And so it keeps working out from being boring and the same thing going to the same place, and it makes it more fun and gives you an opportunity to try a bunch of new things. So if you're looking to spice up your exercise life, I highly recommend Classpass. I've been a user for a couple years and I love it.
I don't like trying new things.
Well, Bryan, some people might. So if you do like trying new things, Classpass is for you.
HIIT is high intensity training.
Yes.
I was
interval
like,
training.
Oh, high interval. I'm like,
there's 2 eyes.
I was like, HIIT? Why are you going to
It's not a
HIIT
good
and then
time,
endurance?
but
You know. My widget this week, I'm actually going to change it. I didn't even write it down. And I think we've talked about it in the past, but it's a way to manage all of your passwords in a singular place. It's also a cool thing is you can share your logins with other people without them seeing your password. This is called Lastpass. So
Classpass and Lastpass. That's not going to confuse any of them.
No, I thought let's make it difficult. We're gonna have to take notes. So Lastpass. Pretty cool. I've got my mom set up on it, so that way, if she doesn't know a password, we have it all set up in there. And we utilize it for our team to share it with our international team for some of our logins. So yeah, Lastpass is my widget this week. So thank you guys so much for joining us. We will talk with you guys we're not going to talk with you. We'll see you guys. You'll see us. Whatever. Tom's giving me the smile and shake his head. Sorry, guys.
Thanks for joining us today.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.